From the birth of the automobile to the peak of modern luxury, this is the story of a brand that changed the world of cars forever. This is the evolution of Mercedes-Benz. It all began in 1901 with the Mercedes 35 HP, the world's first modern automobile, designed by Wilhelm Maybach. Its long frame, lightweight body, and powerful engine made it faster, smoother, and more elegant than anything the world had ever seen. It wasn't just a car, it was the beginning of a new era. By the 1930s, Mercedes had become a symbol of power and prestige. The Mercedes 770, known as the Grand Mercedes, was driven by kings, world leaders, and the elite of society. It stood for perfection and sophistication. Then came 1954, the legendary Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing, the car that redefined beauty and engineering. Its unique upward-opening doors made it one of the most iconic cars ever built. The Gullwing became a dream machine, combining speed, design, and innovation in a way no one had seen before. In the 1960s, Mercedes entered a new age of luxury and technology. The 1963 Mercedes 600 became the choice of presidents and movie stars around the world. It wasn't just transportation, it was a throne on wheels. By the 1970s, Mercedes raised the bar for safety and comfort with the S-Class W116, the world's most advanced sedan at the time, setting new standards in automotive excellence. The 1980s brought perfection and power together. The 190e stormed racing tracks, while the S-Class W126 ruled the roads as the ultimate executive car. And then came the G-Class, a rugged, boxy masterpiece that became a global icon of off-road luxury. In the 1990s, Mercedes refined its style even more. The C-Class, E-Class, and the mighty W140 S-Class represented the true balance of performance, comfort, and technology. Mercedes became not just a brand, but a global identity of success. The 2000s marked a new revolution. The SLR McLaren pushed the limits of speed and design, blending German engineering with British racing spirit. The CLS class introduced the world's first four-door coupe, combining sportiness with elegance. The AMG lineup roared onto the scene, cars that didn't just move, they thundered. Every Mercedes AMG became a statement of passion and power. As the 2010s arrived, Mercedes continued to innovate fearlessly. The SLS AMG brought back the legendary Gullwing doors, the AMG GT became the new face of performance, and the S-Class continued to define the meaning of true luxury. The new G-Wagon and the GLS SUV proved that size, comfort, and strength could coexist perfectly in one design. Mercedes was no longer just making cars, it was creating experiences. Maybach and AMG GT combine electric power, smart technology, and timeless craftsmanship in perfect harmony. Every curve, every detail, every sound speaks of excellence. From the first Mercedes 35 HP in 1901 to the futuristic EQS and Maybach of 2026, every model tells a story of vision, innovation, and perfection. For over a century, Mercedes-Benz has built more than just machines. It has built dreams. A journey from the past to the future, from gasoline to electric, from engineering to emotion.
Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.